This video will focus on the copper versus aluminum settings. There are three settings available to define whether aluminum is allowed on a project. These settings apply to feeders, transformer windings, and switchgear and panel board buses. The default setting for all three options is to allow aluminum. The copper versus aluminum setting values are shown in the project parameters box on the recap sheet right here. If you set these options to allow aluminum, you will have the opportunity to choose between copper or aluminum throughout this software. If you set these options to allow copper only, all opportunities to choose aluminum will be disabled, thus reducing the chances for making mistakes during design. These options are set in the Project Settings window right here. If during design you need to change one of these settings, when you click Save, this software will also make this change globally to all existing buses. For example, if you learn late in design that the project owner will not accept aluminum feeders, then change this option to require all copper feeders and then click Save. All feeders already defined will automatically be changed to copper, and the short circuit and voltage drop calculations will run, thus updating the calculation tables and the AIC ratings throughout. You can see here that the feeders have been changed to copper. It does not change the utility feeder. That is up to the utility. If you are responsible for the utility feeder, you'll have to change that manually. Conversely, if the project was designed using copper feeders and the project owner decides to accept a value engineering option to save money by switching to aluminum feeders, then uncheck this option. All feeders that would use number 4 AWG aluminum or larger will automatically be changed, and the short circuit and voltage drop calculations will run, thus updating the calculation tables and the AIC ratings throughout. Here you can see the feeders have been changed to aluminum automatically. The options for windings and buses also make the changes globally when changed. This project setting allows you to select the copper versus aluminum options required to comply with the design standards for any given project. Please refer to the other videos in this series to learn how to take full advantage of this panel schedule software.